Yeah, welcome to this video. I'm Leke Cosby Finance, and in this video I'm going to be explaining to you another series of how you could use the Ichimocku endpoint strategy to trade boom 500. Okay, so I'm going to be changing this to boom 500 now. If you've watched the endpoint Ichimoku strategy on how to use it to trade crash 500, you would have understood the settings and the reasons why we chose these settings. So if you want to get a quick view of how to set up this strategy and indicators, just check the previous videos on my channel so that you can get acquainted with how to set up these strategies. And quickly, if you're new to this channel and you've not been profiting from the markets, I think this is an opportunity for you to profit from the markets by joining the community. First, by subscribing to this channel and clicking the bell button so that you can get notifications whenever we upload videos like this. And also, I'll need you to know that we upload weekly analysis of the volatility in the index market, which is the volatility 75, the boom and crash, and also we upload Bitcoin and Ethereum updates. That's the weekly analysis for those that are members and trade the cryptocurrency. So it's a win-win for everyone that joins this community and is part of the community. And you could also check the description below. You will see links to our other communities outside YouTube, like Facebook and Telegram. Whichever that is convenient for you, kindly join them. But it's needful that you understand how this strategy works, and our sole aim in this channel is to actually help every of our members to grow and be profitable. So now, just like the strategy depicts in itself, you can see that a moving average here. The first one on your chart is 50 exponential, and give it whatever color you like. Then the next one is 200, which is exponential, and you give it whatever color that you like also. Then on your indicator window, which is, you can see this one that we have below, you first of all have your RSI. Now your RSI is going to be having the period 14 close, and you set it to the color of your background, or you set it as none. That's why you can see my background is white here. That's why you're seeing a white background here. So then your Ichimoku, you can see your Ichimoku is the default. Don't forget, I said that the Kinjun Sen, which is the 26, which means that the indicator is going to lag by 26 candles. So whatever you see, the movement of your Kinjun Sen, your Chikel span, is going to lag by 26 candles. So you leave the settings the way they are up there, but you change the colors of all these that are here. You change all the colors here to white, because my background here is white. So if your background is black, you can change everything here to black. So having done all that, then except your Chiku span, you leave it as a colored indicator. Okay, you're free to choose any color you like. Then I had two moving averages. I had added 50 exponential, any color you like, and also the 5 exponential. I gave that a red. So you can see how the chart looks like. Then your RSI, do not forget that the levels are levels 90 and 100. Okay, let me quickly show you that. My RSI, then you can see the levels. You click here, then you click, you can see 10 and 90. So that those are the levels that we are working with. So quickly now, without wasting much time, I don't want this video to be too lengthy. Now, how you can actually use this to trade boom 500 or boom 1000. Okay, now how this works is simple. You know, you could also use it to even catch spikes if you like. Now you can see that the market here just touched the extreme here. You can see that there was a lot of consolidation at this top level. This confirms that our prediction on this indicator window here is correct. Like I explained in the previous video, which is a crash 500 video, I explained that whenever there is a reversal in the market, it shows that there are so many um, um, investors at that particular level that made the market to reverse. Now, whenever the market reverses in a downtrend, it means there are a lot of buyers waiting there. So their investment is creating a kind of support, which is known as support zone. Yeah, and push the price upwards. Then the reverse is the case where you have the resistance zone, where you have sellers waiting at a particular price. When the price trends upwards and touches that particular price where you have so many sellers, the price will be forced to drop and move down, because it's going to create a resistance zone around there. So those are the laws of supply and demand, as you've always known or heard. So basically, now in essence, we're going to be checking our major support and resistance zones, because this is our chart, this is a mobile chart, and you might not be able to set you might not have the luxury of using the indicators that I give to you. If you need any of those indicators, do not forget, you just check the description below. You will see the free indicators that I've kept for you guys. So all these are free, and they're easy for you to download without stress. So now basically, since it's mobile, you can actually set this up on your PC also, so it works both for PC and mobile view. So now you can see here that this cross, you can see that now the price went up here, then dropped down. When it dropped, you can see that the Ichimocku touched the level 10, and the black, which is my 50 moving average, touched level 10. Also my 5 moving average, is the pink, touched level 10. You can see that when it touched those levels, you can see that there was a reversal right here in the market. Then the market now pushed upwards. The same thing right here, that what is happening right now. You can see that the three indicators, the Ichimocku, the 5 moving average pink, the black 50 moving average, they both crossed the 50 mark, which tells that it's overbought and it's touched a major resistance. And you can see the market reversing back downwards. So you can see right here that it's a very good strategy for you to swing trade. Yeah, it's a very good strategy for you to swing trade the market. And one thing I just want you to understand and know and put at the back of your mind that is very, very important. One thing that you must never ever forget is this in this strategy. Like I mentioned earlier, you see, when you're trading strategy, it's not enough for you to just consider the Ichimocku. Yeah. Now, if you notice, the cross between the 5 moving average is red. and the black, which is 50, the cross between the 5 and the 50 moving average, you can see that it happens earlier than the Ichimoku. Why is that? Is because of the 26 candlestick lagging, 26 candle lag I explained to you earlier on. So Ichimoku itself is a lagging indicator, though you can make it to lead, but at the same time it's best as a lagging indicator because it's a lagging trend indicator. So basically, you must never at any point see that the black has crossed 90, or the first, or maybe the red crossed 90 first, because the red will always cross first. No, you shouldn't at any point say that, oh, the red has crossed. You shouldn't at any point say that the red has crossed and say, oh, it's time to move. No, you must wait for the two of them to cross at the same time. The two, sorry, I meant the three of them must cross at the same time, which is the Ichimoku, the 5 moving average, and the 50 moving average. They must all cross at the same time. Now, if you notice that the Ichimoku will be the last to cross downwards. You can see now the red will be the first to touch, then the black touches, then the Ichimoku touches. Now, then you realize that the red will cross the black first. Then you notice that the Ichimoku will follow through by crossing both the red and the black. The moment the Ichimoku crosses the red and the black, right here, you can see this was where it crossed, but it's going to take effect just right here, because don't forget that it's a lagging indicator. So this level here is going to correspond with this level here, this level here, this crossing level here. So right here is where you place your sell, then you ride the wave downwards. So you can go ahead and backtest this and make yourself feel comfortable, demonstrate this, see how profitable it's going to be for you. And don't forget to send me your progress report. Don't forget to let me know how you see the strategy, if you like it, and if it makes a lot of sense to you. So if you enjoy the strategy, please share this with your friends. Let them also make money like as you are doing. Let them grow in knowledge. Let them also benefit from what you're benefiting. If you're also new to this channel, subscribe and also click the bell button, so that you get notifications whenever we upload relevant videos and weekly analysis for you. Don't forget to also check the description below for relevant links, like the free indicators that I made available for you guys, and also the links to our communities. Just be part of the community and you're going to be profitable. So I remain your boy Leke, and I promise to see you in another video. Much love and take care. Bye for now.